Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm just going to show you how to get a simple soft glam everyday makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to start off by doing is my eyebrows. I usually do my eyebrows with eyeliner as it just makes them on fleek. If you don't really like your eyebrows looking natural, then I suggest use eyeliner if you want it to look on fleek on fleek. The second tip I'm going to give you is pluck those eyebrows, because it makes a massive difference when your eyebrows are plucked. So I'm going to start off with just outlining my brows. I'm going to blend in my eyebrows first. Now that your eyebrows are blended, you're going to go ahead and use your LA Girl Pro Concealer to outline both the bottom and the top of your eyebrow. I like starting off in the middle because it's just easier for me to make that arch first before I carry on to the front. You just want to make sure that the concealer is a few shades lighter than you so that it highlights the brow. We're then going to go in with our e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation and put that on our eyelid to make it ombre. And now you got an ombre eyebrow. The thing I like is that my foundation is quite orangey. It's got like a red undertone, and my concealer's got quite a yellow undertone, so it blends in nicely. So I don't look too yellow, but I don't look too red at the same time. I don't really like putting foundation on my forehead because my forehead's really dark and the foundation always looks quite grey. So I try to just put whatever's left on the brush just above it so it blends in. Get a bigger brush and just blend. I'm then going to get my beauty blender and just dab, dab, dab. Make sure this bit is blended in, girls. Honestly, there's been so many times where I've forgotten to blend this bit, and you can obviously just see my makeup line. So now I'm going to set my lids with benign powder. I'm only going to put a little bit. That is all blended in now. Because we're doing a natural look today, I just wanted to put a little bit of eyeshadow on. So I'm going to use my Morphine X James Charles palette to create a little glittery type of look. I would really recommend this palette for anyone really, any skin colour, because all the colours on there go very well. I'm also going to use my Morphine I Got This brush set. Girls, invest in makeup brushes because the brush you use has a big impact on the way your makeup looks. I'm going to start off by using the colour No Beans, and we're just going to put this in our crease. You're going to get some of this and put it on your brush and then tap the excess off so it's not too much. We're then going to go in with our 10% off colour as a transition shade. We're also going to mix that in with Code James. We're then going to use our tapered mini blender brush and just blend all of that in so it looks smooth. We're then gonna use our concealer to go over our lids because I want to do a cut crease. This eyeshadow look is just a simple cut crease, but I'm gonna use my concealer to cut the crease. Most people like cutting the crease over their crease line, but I don't like doing that as it doesn't suit my eye shape. So I just do it right on the crease, and I make sure not to look up because it would go on my lid. I'm only gonna do this till about 3/4 of the way. So before this dries, I'm then gonna use my Morphine flat brush and use the colour Wig to apply over the concealer as it's still wet. This allows the eyeshadow to stick to the concealer. If the concealer wasn't wet, the eyeshadow would still appear, but it wouldn't be as pigmented. I'm then gonna go in with the colour Halloween and just put that on the ends. Just to give it a little ombre effect. Then gonna use my tapered mini blender brush again to just blend that in. Blend. I'm then gonna go in again with the No Beans colour and just put that in the corner to darken it. Right, so now this eye is done, I'm going to move on to this eye. Now that that's done, we can move on to the face. So we're then going to get our e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation again and just apply some of that to our hand, like so. I'm just going to dab this beauty blender into the foundation. This foundation is quite orangey, as I said before. My concealer is just going to balance it out. And I didn't even put that much, and look at the difference. This foundation is a bit darker than me, only because I wanted the red shade. This one suited my skin better, so look at the difference. I look a lot darker on this side. But the concealer is going to brighten it up. This foundation is literally full coverage, like I haven't even put a lot. I've literally put the smallest amount on my beauty blender. I just make sure to blend all of that down to my neck because we don't want any lines anywhere. So now I'm going to go ahead with the same concealer and just put that underneath my eyes. I never actually do this line in my nose straight. And now you blend. And the thing I like about LA Pro Girl is that it's so lightweight. Like, I can't feel none of this. You can literally hear me like beating up my face. Always got to make sure this bit is blended. It's always the hardest bit. I don't want a harsh line. Now I'm gonna go in with my Ben Eye powder again and bake my face. I'm gonna do 2 layers. So the first layer I'm gonna do is just me setting my face. So I'm gonna blend this in. See, I only put a little amount. And then the next layer is actually gonna be the baking. So I'm not gonna tap it in. So the next layer I'm not gonna tap in. Too much. I'm then gonna go in with my Revolution base palette and get one of the lightest shades and just put that on the beauty blender and just put it in the corner of my eye. On both sides. Just so that I can brighten it up a little bit. And now, we're gonna wait at least 10 minutes or so for this to bake my face. In the meantime, I'm just gonna stick on my lashes and just line my eyelids with eyeliner. This is the 4th tip. This just completely changes your eye shape. Like, it just makes the whole makeup look better. I don't know if you can see the difference. I'm just gonna go in with mascara and put mascara on my eyelashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these lashes so that they're just gonna stick on at the end. I literally use bonding glue to stick on my lashes because, girl, whose lashes are about to fall off? Not mine. Look at the difference, baby girl. It's been a good couple of minutes now. I'm gonna start dabbing this in to my face. And then using a brush to brush off the excess. I'm then gonna go in with my Revolution again and use the darkest color to contour. And that's it. Voila, you're done with your natural looking makeup. We're not gonna forget the last step though. And then boom, you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibes. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you never miss a post. But this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Natural, natural, natural. Ruth Rocwel.